Hello, good afternoon. We're here at Loch Lomond Shores for the Ayrshire Classic Car Club. Variety of cars on show again. So we'll start off with the Ford Falcon GT 351 from 1975. Very reminiscent to kind of Dukes of Hazzard car, didn't it? Yeah, that'll be a big bugger in size, engine wise. But yeah, that's quite nice. We'll move round.
When I get 2 seconds in back.
This is a Vauxhall sub-description. We'll try and... It's a Vauxhall Sports Hatch from 1976. One of only 197 produced. Wow, quite rare. Quite rare. Vauxhall Sports Hatch. I've never seen one of these. I thought it would have been a Opel Manta of some sort, but not a sports hatch. That's quite rare. Nice. Ferrari. The prancing horse, look at that. I mean, look at that big engine inside that thing. Oh, sorry. Look at this size of that thing. Yeah. Beautiful looking thing. It's an F430 as well, which is quite a desirable model to have as a Ferrari. Next we have an American Chevy Bel Air. Wow. First time seen one of these in the flesh. This is probably a 56 or a 57. You might be able to correct me on this one, Barry. My friend Barry Sampson, I'll tag him in this again. But you've always loved the Bel Air, so I thought that might have interest you. Next we have is a Volkswagen. You'd probably know this as a transporter camper van, but it's a 2000L. Quite a nice, desirable old van. I don't know if it's a camper van or it's just a bus. Yeah, it looks like a bus. Yeah, very nice, very nice. This is a bit weird looking, but it's something that's quite rare. We don't see many. Now, without the obviously the jagged look at the front and rear, you'd have mistaken this for a Nissan Micra, but this is a Japanese Musioka or Musioka Butte. So as you can see, it's got the iconic jagged look at the front. Probably got a rare kind of jagged interior as well. Nissan March it's based on, but it's more or less the Micra. Quite a nice desirable wee thing. Yeah. A Pilgrim Bulldog. Oh, never heard of this, but that's quite nice. Smell the unmistakable smell of petrol. But yeah, very nice, very nice. Next we have rubber bumpered MGB, I think it would be an MGB. was going to say an MG midget, but it's an MGB. You can tell by the rear lights. Very nice with the black and the silver contrast and wheels. Very nice. Next we have is an old Ford. An old Ford there. A very nice looking old thing. This is a Ford Escort 2 litre. If you squint, it's mint. Quite like that. Yeah. Nice Escort. Very, very nice inside. We're into something a bit modern. We have a Golf GTI Cabriolet by the looks of things. Very nice looking old thing. I've always liked the old Golf's GTIs, especially the Mark 1s. Look at them, the BBS alloys. Very, very nice indeed. So that's your Golf GTI. Something even more modern. An old Saab, Swedish magnificence. If anyone is a Saab nut, you know that Saab don't exist anymore. Sadly, Saab ceased to exist. Probably more than a decade ago. This will probably be 9.3 maybe? 9.3? Yeah, it's a 9.3. Hey. So that's a Saab 9.3. Now, my friend who I should tag on TikTok as well, Stacey, this is up your street because it's very reminiscent to the colour of the Corsa VXR you currently own. This is an Opel Astra OPC, quite a rare old thing. Yeah, quite nice. Old landscaping, old transporter van. Looks like it's a Volkswagen approved van. MG midget, quite a nice old thing. Quite like those midgets. It's got the rubber bumper. Mini. Everybody knows the Mini. Very nice condition for its age. It's quite a late Mini. Actually, it's yeah, that's nice. It's a nice old thing. So that's your Mini. Further up, we have got an American import by the looks of things. It's a Ford Crown Victoria. Looks like an NYPD, New York Police Department import by the looks of things. Never really seen one really in the flesh, but yeah, I like the Crown Victorias. See, there's the. I was in New Mexico, so it was in service for 10 years. Wow. Many criminals would be in the back of that thing, probably. Next we have an R Bel Air. It's for sale, by the looks of things. Barry, if you're interested, it's a Bel Air of such, but I can't remember what year. You'll be able to tell me more than me. But yeah, you like your Bel Airs, don't you, Baz? Ford Mustang, probably the most modern of the collection here today. On a 12, unless it's a private number plate, which is possible again. Very nice colour, like that kind of burnt orange colour. So yeah, that's your Ford Mustang. There's not much to say about the Ford Mustang really. Dodge. Lovely pink colour. It's a Ayrshire Classic Car Club. It's a Nice, nice old Dodge. Another MG as such. It looks like an MGB again. Nice, lovely looking kind of green colour. Nice, nice the bumper. Don't know what that is, but we'll go from there. These are quite collectible now as well. Nissan Figaro. They go for quite strong money. Quite nice old things. Quite collectible. Toyota Celica, as far as I'm aware. Porsche 981S 3.4. BMW Z4. Is it a Z? Maybe a Z3 actually. Oh. Is that a Z4M? Right, okay. Volkswagen Corrado. I've seen this a few times actually, I think. 16 valve, I like the Corrados. E-Class, but it looks like things an E-Class convertible. Oh, I've seen one of these for a long time. This is as far as I'm aware, a GTE 16 valve. Either a 16 valve or an 8 valve, one of the two. Quite nice condition. Next is another old Ford. This will probably be an Escort of some description, might be wrong. That's an Escort GL. Oh, strong smell of burning, so that's nice. Oh, Aston Martin. Very nice. This will be the DB7, I believe. Yeah, a DB7. Very nice car indeed. Another Ferrari. Ferrari, some description. 328 GTB. Very nice condition. Jaguar F-Type. Yeah, F-Type. An old BMW, or is it? Yeah, it's a BMW. I was going to say an Alpina. Alpina. I thought Alpina, sorry. Mazda MX-5. Two MX-5s actually. Quite nice condition for these cars, quite popular. Peugeot 106, or the Citroen Saxo, as people would know as well. Quite nice.
This is your mum's second car.
Kind of second. They look at the condition of the engine bay. A Citroen 2CV or a Doshavu for friend. Toyota MR2. Toyota MR2, quite nice colour in the red. Another Ford V6.
Yeah.
What's a Ford Cortina? I thought it was an Escort.
Yeah. Genuinely, yeah.
Last couple of cars before I start taking pictures. An old Rover. An old Rover. I thought it was a P5B, it was actually a 2000. Yeah, very nice old Rover. And lastly we've got the old traditional Mini. So we'll take pictures now.